In honor of May's National Historic Preservation Month, Historic Denver is kicking off 3 fun events designed to help you explore the city like a local. Now, with more on all the fun are Andrea Malcolm, Molly Brown Museum Director, and Allison Salutes, the Historic Denver Walking Tours Director. Ladies, this sounds like so much fun.
Hello, yes.
So, Andrea, tell me a little bit about Preservation Month.
Preservation Month is just a really great opportunity to get out and explore the neighborhoods and architectural gems that tell our city story.
And we're so blessed to have so many beautiful landmarks in our own backyard. What events are kicking off?
So for us, we have our 6th season of walking tours, which Allison will tell us more about, as well as our annual photo contest. And at our flagship property, we're going to kick off our summer exhibit on May 8th.
And for more information, we're going to go through a lot here today, but if you want more information, just go to historicdenver.org. Historicdenver.org. Allison, where do the walking tours go?
Yeah, our walking tours are really one of the best ways to explore the city. We have our classic walking tours that explore neighborhoods like Lodo, Larimer Square, Capitol Hill, and historic 16th Street. But then we also have specialty tours throughout the summer. So we're going to be exploring Curtis Park, the mansions of Capitol Hill, and this year we have a great collaboration with the governor's residence, so we'll have some access there. Yeah, it should be really fun. And then we're also going to explore historic 5 Points with a guest guide. Terry Gentry is going to join us from the Black America West Museum.
So you get great education, entertainment, and health because they're walking tours.
Exactly.
That's great. How much does it cost?
Our walking tours, they kick off in May and they run through October. Tours are 90 minutes long and cost $15 to $20.
Okay, that's really affordable. Again, go to historicdenver.org for more information, historicdenver.org. So you have a new photo contest that's kicking off. It's pretty exciting. Tell me a little bit about it and then how people can enter.
Yes, absolutely. So our annual photo contest, this year the theme is Landmarks of Today and Tomorrow. So we're kind of asking Denverites to share with us the places around the city that they love. And so it doesn't necessarily have to be a landmark, but maybe some place that would be a landmark in the future. This isn't for professional photographers, it's really for everybody. You can see some of the submissions that came last year on the screen right now, and they're from all manner of photographers. And you can submit through our website, historicdenver.org.
Boy, that last one, that's a beautiful one too. They had to be winners. They're just gorgeous.
Yeah, these are some of definitely, it's a juried selection, so these are some of our jury's favorite photos that we're sharing with you this morning.
Gorgeous. So what can you tell me, Andrea, about the new exhibit at the Molly Brown Museum?
Well, we're so excited. The house is 130 years old today. So we are going to kick off what it means on May 8th to talk about the other people that lived in the house, because we know about the unsinkable Margaret Brown, but as you see in this picture, it was also a room for rent for men only. It was a boarding house for young women run through the Jane Addams program. And then we also are going to talk about Art Leisenring, who turned the house over to Historic Denver and help us really kick off preservation here in Denver. So you can learn all about the other people that have lived in the house besides the Browns.
Interesting. I've never heard. We'll have to do a segment one time on the men that rented there for men only. I think that's so interesting that she didn't want any women renting. So you have a new Titanic model on display too at the museum.
We do. So thanks to one of our wonderful volunteers, Larry Sisson, he spent 645 hours lovingly crafting a 250th scale replica of the Titanic ship. Wow. And it's on permanent exhibit at the museum. So if you come as part of your general admission to see our summer exhibit, you'll also get to see the Titanic as part of your experience. So it is complete and accurate in detail down to the riggings, the binnacles, the steering, everything.
My goodness, that had to take so long. It's beautiful. So if someone's never been on a tour of the Molly Brown House Museum, give me a little glimpse. Take me there.
So for us, our lovingly restored home really gives you a glimpse at what it was like to be Mrs. Brown living in that house at the turn of the last century, living their life. You can also explore what it was like to be a servant in the home or someone else. So guided tours take about 45 minutes, take you through the museum, and you'll also get to see our wonderful summer exhibit. It'll be open May 8th through August 26th and is included in general admission, which is $13 for adults. And all of that information is on our website, which is mollybrown.org, or you can find it through our flagship organization's historicdenver.org.
Excellent. And Allison, one more time in case people are tuning in right now, the walking tours, my accent almost came out, them walking tours. When do they kick off again?
They start on May 1st, so
Okay.
we're ready, and then they'll run through October 31st.
And where can people learn more?
Historicdenver.org is the best place to find out more.
Excellent. Thank you, ladies.
Thank
What a
you.
treat. Now is your chance to get outside and explore Denver like a local. Learn more about how you can take a historic Denver walking tour, participate in a photo contest, and visit the new exhibit at the Molly Brown House Museum. Visit historicdenver.org. That's historicdenver.org or mollybrown.org for more details.